Hello guys, so today I will be playing Super Slime Simulator, and this is my first time kind of like on a game streaming. Well, no, I used to do like Twitch streaming on a game for like stuff like that, but like first time in a very long time doing like this stuff. So I've already made a few slimes in this, but only like 3 or 4. I got the game yesterday. Not new. It's not new to me because I had it before, but I wanted to get it again. I don't know what slime to make. I'm gonna make putty. That's new. I want to try it out with you guys. So I gotta pour in the water. I gotta add some activator. Put some glue in. Stir everything together. So this game is kind of like a relaxing game, like kind of like you could like add a bunch of colors. There's a few ones that you have to unlock, like all these, but like a bunch of, but like also some of them you could use for ads. I think I'm not fully sure. I'm gonna use this blue for right now. Oh, that looks cool, putty slime. And you can also add some beads into it. I'm probably gonna not do any advertisements today, and because I usually do. And so I'm gonna add some popsicles, and I'm gonna add the blue kind because this is blue. It's all gonna be matching blue. And I am going to add another type of bead, which is gonna be popsicles again. Double the popsicles today, huh? Double the popsicles today, guys. Woohoo. Okay, I'm back into the game. We can literally feel all the slime. Oh my god. Feels so good. That feels good. Oh, it feels good. Have to? You could just go back to your game. And I'll rate it. I'm gonna do an all-star rate. Not now. And I'm gonna make this. I'm gonna make another slime right now. This slime could be ice cream. Ice cream slime. I've never tried it, I don't think. I ever tried it, so it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Should I do like a turquoise? Because I already did. Don't worry. Oh, this is cool. Jelly cubes. And I gotta stir it in. Oh. And I'm gonna put some hearts. Pink hearts. That is the coolest slime ever. This is an advertisement. It's a stupid advertisement. Okay. Let me just leave. And I got a reward, I guess. Huh. And I wonder what this is. Oh. Sand. Ah. I got a sand thing. Maybe, well, we should try the sand now. We should try to make this with the sand. Nice. Okay, hope it looks good. Some sand. Bro, it has to be actual sand in it. Bruh. It's looking good so far. It's looking good. I'm gonna add some pink. It's pink sand. Whoa. That looks so cool. And pink popsicles. I love popsicles. I love the popsicles. I'm gonna add double the popsicles today. Another double. The popsicles are so cool. Whoa. I'm installing this. Okay. Whoa. So the thing just basically made it for me. So see you guys on the next video of we're making slime, and I also have, this channel is also on dolls.
No matter what we breed, we still